So I just ended up buying like I think 100 or 130 some dollars worth of detailing stuff. I already had some stuff from cleaning my Maxima like a year ago. Um, just some ceramic spray and Optimum. This the basic stuff, and I really wanted to buy a whole lot more stuff for interior detailing. Obviously, I ended up getting one of these 3D multi-purpose cleaner. Yeah, car drying towels because I never had any. Oh, that detailing brush set. Some microfibers from the Rag Company because I heard they're really good. Brush set for the carpet. And this is a wheel and tire brush that I got. I ain't got no fucking light in our garage, but I ended up copying a Bauer, like the smallest Bauer shop vac, along with um their like accessories for car detailing. I have yet to open it. I bought it like I want to say it's been a couple of months since I bought it. Damn, it's hot on this bitch. Harbor Freight special grants a handheld steam cleaner. I think it was like 30 some bucks, 30 some dollars. I watched a review video, heard some good things about it. I also ended up buying some distilled water. That way it doesn't end up messing up the handheld steamer. So you can see how bad the carpet is. Like, it is really nasty. You have a whole bunch of like coloring over here. I also forgot to mention I'm going to be removing the seats. They're going to be covered in these plastics. Not that hard to take off. Like I said, a 14 mil. I'm going to pull out the seats. I'm going to pull out these ones as well. It's just a little tab here, I think, that you pull out, and that's it. Yeah. So, not that hard. So, took out the rear seats in the front. Obviously, the front isn't too bad. It's just 4 bolts. The driver's side is probably the worst out of everything in here to remove, just because of the steering wheel. As for the rear seats, you'll have these pull tabs underneath this like bench seat. It'll all come out as one piece. Once you take that out, you'll have to loosen these seatbelt like anchors. They hold that in. You gotta get those out the way, and then you'll also have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolt locations for the seat itself. You just take these 2 out and then pull up. I think it hooks right here, the back of it. Super simple, not really that hard at all. So I don't know what all the it's like pop rocks or some shit. I'm not sure what that shit is, but I'm gonna vacuum out everything first, and then we'll go from there. I think I'm just gonna call it quits, to be honest. I can't get these stains out. I'm using 3D, or it's called 3D all-purpose cleaner, the orange degreaser, and I can't get these stains out. I am using a 10-to-1 ratio, which is what they recommend for interior cleaning. I was also using a drill brush as well, and this shit just doesn't want to come out. I think I already messed up the carpet right here. There's like, I'm pretty sure I messed up the carpet right there, because I was really digging in. But you guys let me know if you guys know anything about detailing and shit, or if this, like, was this even doable at all? I was assuming it was going to be, but maybe it might not even be doable to remove these stains, and I'm just wasting my time. You know what's fucking crazy? I was able to do the galley gaskets, right? But this is what sets me back, right? This shit, cleaning. It sounds fucking stupid when I thought about it, but this beat my ass more than the fucking galley gaskets did, just mentally. Cause I thought this shit was gonna be easy. I guess not. So fuck it, bro. I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna put all this shit back together. And honestly, we probably might end up doing a whole black swap, honestly, because I hate this shit. All the leather seats are just somewhat damaged anyway, so the seats gotta get replaced. The carpet has to get replaced because of all of the staining. The dash has to get replaced. The steering wheel has to get replaced. Whole bunch of shit. But let me know what you guys think. Was this shit a lost cause from the start? This is the driver's side. I didn't even touch it. I didn't even try to clean the driver's side. But you guys let me know. I'm out this bitch.